This is the mercy and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that your prayers, your help, your donations and your support have created this institute in a city where there are no other schools. At this time there are 250 students and many more are on the waiting list because there is no space to have them right now. We are also working to help educate the orphans who don't have any support or place to live. Currently there are classes of Nazira, Hifz, Alim course, English, Maths, Science, History and Art. In the near future we are planning to add computer classes as well, inshallah. The phase 1, which was the exterior and interior of this institute, are almost completed. In phase 2, we plan to construct a proper wudu area, additional bathrooms, kitchen facilities and cafeteria, a canopy outside the masjid and also concreting the front area of the masjid, building homes for the teachers and their families, painting the masjid walls, also tables, Qurans and books for all the classes. And most of all, we need to maintain this institute by supporting the students, giving them enough food every day. All the students and teachers collectively make dua for all the donors every day. May Allah grant you and your family all type of blessings, happiness, peace and tranquility. May Allah make this means of hidayah, knowledge and salvations in this life as well as the hereafter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to support all these types of institutes with afiyah, istiqamat, ikhlas and istiqlas. Please donate generously. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Charity does not decrease wealth." And he, peace be upon him, also said, "Give charity without delay, for it stands in the way of calamity."